Hi, this is Mike Giannicola. I wanted to share with you today a game that I created and call Floor Football, based off of a game that I saw in SNS Worldwide's catalog where they use foam, and in this case I use just cardboard boxes, and you can use anything that you have available. So I have the gym set up in basically 3 playing grids, and this is just like paper football that we used to play on tabletops, where you flick it, try to get the paper to be over the edge of the line to score a touchdown. So in this one, they kick a cardboard box back and forth on the 2 different sides, and if they get the cardboard box to be partially over the edge, they score a touchdown, get 6 points. For me, there's many ways to keep score, but I have them do it on a yardstick, just because in football they use the yards, so it seemed appropriate. And just 2 different colored clips so they know what team they're on and they're trying to get to. For me, 36 to 39, whatever you want it to be. Most of them are 36 inches, so they stop at 36 for the most part. Over here, if they score a touchdown, they can kick anything you want them to kick. I have a really soft sponge ball. Yesterday I tried it with the boxes and it was not so great. So today with the sponge ball, I just put some tape up to create the goal post, and they can get an extra point if they get it inside. So there you go. Too far. Okay, you get to go to the 50-yard line. A little too far. Oh, that's close. Touchdown!
Is that touchdown?
Yes. All right, extra point.